YouTube, what's going on? Your boy back with another video. And today, you found me another Turo video. I'm be going over how much do my Chevy Spark, or how much has my Chevy Spark made on Turo so far. Okay, so for those that may not know, I have a 2021 Chevy Spark LT listed on the Turo platform. I got it fresh off the lot, brand new with 4 miles on it. So when I first listed it last year in about, I think in June, July, one of those summer months, I listed it. Boom, 2 days later, bang, straight got a buck. And I'm like, okay, this might be something. You feel me? I grabbed the car, you feel me, just to DoorDash and, well, really put it on Turo, start my business. And then, DoorDash as a backup if it's, Turo was slow. But nonetheless, I grabbed that, boom, straight got bucked, so it was cool. So yeah, when I first started, I had it, well, Turo recommended me listing it at $50 a day, so boom, that's what I did, listed $50 a day, and it worked. So boom, 2 days later, straight got booked. But now that I've had it on there and got some experience and some bookings under my belt, I typically have it going for in between $40 a day to $50 a day. So $40, for the slow times, I still make my money, and then $50 for the busy times. Even though I think I just got it set for 45 right in the middle right now, and that's doing great. So that's good. So yeah, that's typically what I got my car going for. A nice little cheap Chevy Spark. So you can judge your price based off that. 200 miles a day, nothing more. You might be wondering, okay, well, you got it listed for $40, $50 a day out of the month, 30 to 31 days. Typically, how often do you call to rent it out, bro? And I want to say, lately, like the last couple months, it's been literally going out every single weekend and some days during the week too. So I want to say utilization's maybe like 50 to maybe like 60% of the month. Sometimes I had people have the car for a week. And somebody had the car for 2 weeks. Some people grab the car every weekend, every Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Some people grab it every Sunday, or some people do one time. So, like I said, it varies. Of course, summer months are gonna do better because everybody's traveling, going out more, and then winter, everybody's cold out. Nobody's really trying to mess it outside. Nobody's not doing as much traveling. Still traveling going on because people trying go to the warmer states, but it's not as much during the winter. So you got to keep that in mind. So I typically during the winter I got my prices set a little bit lower, keep my utilization up and keep my car being bucked up, because that's typically what it's for. So okay, how much it made from June or July, whatever, one and two to the end of 2021, I'm gonna put it right here. So that's not bad. You feel me? Half a year. It's pretty much, I guess, almost constantly listed, other than maybe some stuff that might have happened. Maybe forgot some accident, or had to get some oil change, tires done, brakes done. Then of course I had to unlist it and do it like that. I had to unlist a few times. Things always pop up. I think I had a nail in my tire a few times, actually back to back. So I ain't even gonna get into it, but yeah, you feel me? Little small things should pop up, I had nails in my tires, had to take it off to get I changed my own brakes, changed the brakes, so I took it off for a few days. Or if you got into an accident, be off of there for a week or two till it gets fixed. But usually, other than that, it's pretty much booked out. So okay, out of all I think I have about 29 trips under my belt so far, just on my one car, the Chevy Spark. And listen, guys, I had no accidents, no claims, and nobody smoked in my car. Out of all 29 trips, that's a plus, guys. You feel me? Some people may not be as lucky. Some people maybe got their car towed the first, second trip, but so far no accidents, no nothing, no scraped tires, no scraped rims, nobody, no curb rash, no dings, no dents, no oopsies, nothing. So hey, I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. Some people were, a little dirty, but guess it just comes with it. So just had to clean. But other than that, no accidents, nothing bad happened so far. So I ain't had to do nothing crazy. So that's been so far so good out of all my trips. Like I said before, guys, I am an all-star host, so I do have 5 stars on all the way around, good reviews. So I am an all-star host, so that is one thing that is a plus. So I don't play. Every car is clean, sanitized, tires shine. You might not have to do all that, but I take it very serious, especially at the beginning. You definitely want to get your 5-star reviews up, get your name, you feel me, get your name out there, get your car out there, you feel me, get it booked. You know, if you got a high price or you're not doing what you gotta do as a host, keeping your car clean, keeping it maintained, you're gonna get low reviews, and you're not gonna pop up, you feel me, on the top of Turo's list, and your car's not gonna get utilized, and you're gonna lose money. So definitely gotta take it serious if you really want something you really wanna do, guys. Yeah, and then I guess another thing, I have my, I got a Chevy Spark. I did add on, you feel me, a few little custom mods, you feel me, maybe boost the price up, make my car stand out than any other maybe Chevy Sparks in my area. So I do have, 35% tint legal here in Maryland, all the way around. I got a windshield, little strip, 5% to the AS1 line. So do have the car tinted. I did paint the front and rear brakes red, so it has red calibers, make the wheels pop a little bit more. I do have red little tire valve caps. So you put your air in. I got little red caps in there, so make the car pop a little bit more than that. And I vinyl wrapped the interior vents in like a forged carbon vinyl wrap, and I wrapped the gas cap. So my car, you feel me, looks good. Oh yeah, I changed all the basic yellow, lights that come with cars. I changed them all to white LEDs or just LEDs to make the car look more modern, and definitely looks good, better than stock. So I'm not sure if that helped me with my bookings too. But I added a few little touches, so like tint, a little bit of vinyl red, maybe paint your rims black, or just do a slight little touch to maybe make your car stand out, and you might get more bookings. That's what I did. Well, like I said, I'm in the cars anyway, so that's what I like doing. So, but yeah, guys, so far my personal experience on Turo, listen, just this one car in a year, it definitely makes me want to, you feel me, I'm trying to get my fleet together, you feel me? I'm trying to get me a fleet of cars. So I'm trying, by this year, I'm gonna try and grab my second Turo car. That means I'll have a total of 3 cars, but 2 on Turo. So that's honestly, you feel me, the goals, because I figured out Turo is a good way to make some money, and everybody I tell, okay, it is a good way. And then they say it's slowly building the Turo name, so more and more people are catching on to it, from dealerships to banks to people, asking me questions. Oh, should I, list my car on Turo too? I'm like, yeah, go ahead. But, it's got to be something. You can't just list the car. Oh, okay, somebody booked it out. You don't clean it. Your tires flat. You need an oil change. The steering wheel shaking. Like, if that's the case, it's not for you. Don't list your car. But other than that, guys, my Chevy Spark did great on Turo, which makes me want to grab more cars for Turo, which I am. So definitely stay tuned on that. And my journey on Turo and DoorDash. Any questions you got, let me down in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe for more, guys. But I guess that's pretty much it for this one. Anything else I gotta go over? That should be it. I think about my Turo settings. If not, pretty much got the basic settings. 200 miles limited a day. Like I said, I went over my daily prices, range between 40 and 50. But when you list your car, you feel me, you'll see the prices that they got set, and you can do it based on how much ever you want to make. If it's, you feel me, you got a high payment, you feel me, their recommended payout may not be beneficial to you. So you just take your own, use your own brain power and figure out what works best for you. Every market is different. Some markets may do great, some markets may not do as well. Some, all depends on where you at, what type of cars you got, and typically your renters. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Until next time,